AI Model, Operational Level Performance Distribution, Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. Let's analyze the bar chart and line chart presented in the video. Overall context. The chart focuses on performance analysis at the top management, strategic, level, as indicated by the title provided by Pradeep K. Suri. It aims to visualize performance across various key areas or strategic goals using a combination of a bar chart and a line chart. Bar chart analysis. Categories. X-axis. The bars represent different key areas or strategic goals, which are education quality, institutional performance, stakeholder satisfaction, regulatory compliance, strategic goals, financial performance, risk management, innovation and research, CSR reports, corporate social responsibility, sustainability. Values. Y-axis. The height of each bar indicates the performance score, %, for the corresponding key area. Interpretation. High performers, institutional performance, innovation and research, and sustainability show the highest performance scores. Moderate performers, education quality, stakeholder satisfaction, regulatory compliance, and CSR reports fall within a moderate range. Lower performers, strategic goals, financial performance, and risk management have comparatively lower scores. Line chart analysis. Data series. The line chart represents two data series. Strategic level, shown as a solid line with diamond markers, connects the tops of the bars, visually summarizing the strategic level performance. Tactical level, shown as a dashed line with square markers, presents a hypothetical or comparative performance at the tactical level. Trend. Both lines show a general trend of fluctuating performance across the key areas. Comparison. In most areas, the strategic level outperforms the tactical level, but there are instances where the tactical level either matches or slightly exceeds the strategic level. Key insights and possible interpretations. Strategic focus. The chart highlights the organization's focus and strengths in areas like institutional performance, innovation and research, and sustainability. Areas for improvement. Strategic goals, financial performance, and risk management may require attention and strategic interventions to improve their scores. Gap analysis. The difference between strategic and tactical performance, the gap between the lines, can indicate areas where strategic goals are not being effectively translated into tactical actions. Resource allocation. The visualization can inform decisions about resource allocation and prioritization across different strategic goals. Important considerations. Data source. It's essential to understand the source and methodology used to derive the performance scores. Context. The specific context of the organization, example industry, size, mission, is crucial for interpreting the scores and their significance. Comparison. The tactical level data might be hypothetical or based on past performance. Understanding the basis of this comparison is important. In summary, the chart provides a high-level overview of performance across key strategic areas, enabling top management to identify strengths, weaknesses, and areas requiring attention. The comparison with the tactical level adds another layer of insight, highlighting potential gaps in execution. The pie chart titled Operational Level Performance Distribution attributed to Pradeep K. Suri. Overall interpretation. This pie chart visually represents the distribution of performance across different key areas or metrics at the operational level. It shows the relative contribution or weight of each area to the overall operational performance. Key components and observations. Slices. Each slice of the pie represents a specific performance area or metric. The size of the slice is proportional to the percentage or weight assigned to that area. Labels: each slice is labeled with the name of the performance area and its corresponding percentage. Color coding: different colors are used to distinguish the slices, making it easier to visually compare the proportions. Key areas: the chart covers a range of areas relevant to operational performance, including financial performance, 13%. Education quality, 11.69%. CSR reports, 11.5%. Innovation and research, 10.9%. Strategic goals, 10.4%. Regulatory compliance, 9.74%. Stakeholder satisfaction, 9.16%. Risk management, 8.44%. Institutional performance, 7.98%. Sustainability, 7.25%. Insights and possible interpretations. Dominant areas: financial performance stands out as the area with the highest percentage, 13%, suggesting it carries the most weight or importance in overall operational performance. Education quality and CSR reports also have significant shares. Balanced distribution: while financial performance is the largest, the other areas have a relatively balanced distribution, indicating that a range of factors are considered important for operational success. Interconnectedness: the areas are interconnected. For example, strong financial performance might depend on factors like innovation and research, education quality, and regulatory compliance. Focus on sustainability and CSR: the inclusion and weighting of sustainability and CSR reports suggest that these aspects are considered important components of operational performance. Considerations and limitations. Data source: it's important to understand the source and methodology used to determine the percentages for each area. Context: the specific context of the organization or industry is crucial for interpreting the significance of the distribution. Time period: the pie chart represents a snapshot of performance distribution for a specific time period. Aggregation: the data might be aggregated or simplified for visualization, potentially hiding more granular details. In summary, the pie chart provides a clear and concise overview of the relative importance of different areas in operational performance. It allows for quick identification of dominant factors and highlights the organization's priorities at the operational level. Thank you.